Morning guys, so I've just come in this morning and we've just took delivery of a load of bananas. Now the thing with bananas is everyone automatically just thinks, oh, banana bread, but there's loads you can do with bananas, so have a look at this. So yeah, you go, loads of them, yeah. Now the best thing to do is to store your bananas basically in a fruit bowl. Yeah, don't pop them in the fridge because the moisture is going to turn the skin black. So just take them out of the packaging, store them in a fruit bowl. But if you want to keep them long term, take them out the skins, slice them all up, put them in freezer bags, and you can freeze them and use them in the future. But with bananas, you can make all sorts. So obviously your banana bread, smoothies, banana muffins. You can bake them with chocolate, which is a really nice thing to do. Banana ice cream, banana puddings, pancakes. What else can you do? Banoffee pie, of course. Cheesecake. Milkshakes. Turn them into milkshakes is a really nice idea. Flapjacks, fritters, porridge. Put them over your breakfast with your granola. So there's loads you can do with bananas. But also, not many people know, you can use them in savoury dishes as well. So they go really well in curry. Goes well with ham, and like ham and banana casserole. Look it up. Trust us. Beautiful. Give them a go. Loads of recipes online. Enjoy. And yeah, embrace the old bananas.